Then Wi-Fi cards. See, we don't have much Wi-Fi cards today because all the systems, computers, laptops, they already have Wi-Fi. They are already Wi-Fi enabled. So these are cards, or you can say small and portable cards that allow your desktop or laptop computer to connect to internet through some wireless network. So this Wi-Fi is done by, or it is the transmission is through by radio waves. And the antenna that transmit the radio signals, these signals are picked by the Wi-Fi receivers like your computer or say cell phone equipped with the Wi-Fi cards, these cards. So these devices have to be within the range of Wi-Fi network that in order to receive the signal, and this Wi-Fi card then reads the signals and produces the wireless internet connection. And once the connection is established between a user and the network, the user will be prompted with some login screen or a password just to make things secure. So Wi-Fi cards, as I said, they can be external or internal. If the Wi-Fi is not installed in your computer, you may purchase this USB antenna attachment and have it externally connected to your device. Various new computers like mobile phones also, they are already equipped with this wireless networking capability and they do not require Wi-Fi card anymore. But it is important to understand that this Wi-Fi connection only exists between the device and the router and device. So most routers are further connected to cable modem, which provides internet access to all the connected devices.